The AL-KO HT700 Flexible Cut is a powerful hedge trimmer from the AL-KO Garden Technology range. Its unique features mean it is always very easy and safe to use and delivers the best cutting results. The ergonomic control elements and adjustable handle enables fatigue-free work and makes it a pleasure to work with. The powerful 700-watt hedge trimmer is also ideal for large hedges. Every cut is precise thanks to the integrated spirit level. Durable, sharp diamond ground blades guarantee a clean cut, and impact protection ensures they are not damaged by contact with the ground or walls. The hedge trimmer is very easy to secure against an accidental start. An integrated cable strain relief hook prevents undesired loosening of the connector. The included protective holder with practical wall bracket function facilitates space-saving storage and means your trimmer is always to hand. Optimum performance with its long 650mm blade, the HT700 Flexible Cut Hedge Trimmer. AL-KO. Quality for life.